Hey everyone, yes, I know what you're thinking. Why is he wearing a wetsuit indoors? Well, I've just come back from a training swim because I'm getting ready for the Royal Windsor Triathlon this weekend. I've been training for weeks and I'm feeling pretty pumped and ready. And today, I want to talk to you about something that's really helped me during my training, and that's fitness trackers and health apps. So, what are fitness trackers? Well, these are things like smartwatches or phone apps that can track your steps. They track how far you've run, how fast your heart rate is beating, and even how well you slept. Cool, right? I've been using fitness trackers and smart tech to help me stay on track for my training. It's helped me know how to push harder and even when to rest. Without it, I'd probably be all over the place. But here's the thing, I've been thinking about it lately. These apps just don't help us. They also collect a lot of private health data, like your heart rate, your movements, and your sleep patterns. This is all called biometric data, and it's personal stuff about your body. Sometimes that data doesn't just stay on your watch or the app. It can be shared with other companies, even ones that might try to sell you stuff. And most people don't realise that. So here's the big question. Is it okay to share this much information about ourselves? Or are we giving away too much? Here are a few smart things you can do. Always check the app settings. Some let you turn off sharing. Talk to a parent or trusted adult before using apps that collect personal health information. Remember, it's okay to say no to apps that want too much. I still use fitness apps and trackers because it really helps with my training. But I've made sure my settings are safe and I know what's being shared. That's what we should all try to do. Be fit and stay smart. Alright, it's time for me to rest up for race day and get out of this wetsuit. Wish me luck for the triathlon and also our school team taking part in the St George's football tournament taking place this coming Monday. So I'll leave you with this. Consider how fitness apps and smart tech can get you motivated into sports. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.